Hey y'all, happy Saturday. We are here at Rice University to see DeAndre practice, and it's also junior day. We're late. We were supposed to be here for 11, but Khloe had to go to tumbling this morning from 9:30, and it just kind of threw us off. And then I was trying to use my new camera for today, but I don't have a disc because I am still editing another video. Bought the wrong dish, y'all. Now I can't use the camera, so I'm back to this camera where the quality might be a little bit different. But hey, this is where we started, so this is what I'm going back to today. So anyway, y'all coming along for the day.
Hi, monster on the beat, ho, beat both, any rap, nigga, here, dope.
What? What about him? This DeAndre's. It needs a good cleaning. Now there's my big baby. Y'all look at my girl, she in her element. I guess the scrimmage is over now. My boy. Like I said, it's pretty, y'all. Are you gonna say hello to my vlog?
Though, isn't it?
I mean, probably so.
Okay. Where we gonna go?
It's up to y'all. You get right on the inside.
Hello. Ooh. It's been a minute since I've been up here. All that they had right here is gone. Hello. We're heading to Coco's office. Hello.
Hello. Fine, how you doing?
Hello.
Had to come see our baby.
Your office looked bigger the other way. Come on in. Hello. How you doing?
I'm Daryl, by the way.
I'm Ursula. I'm Kirsten's mom.
Nice to meet you, Mom.
Yes.
Her sister, girl.
I got that on tape.
Nah, chill out.
Great.
I really wasn't in. I knew the 4-5 reps. That's all I need. I just wanted to touch the pigs here, y'all. That's how I should know.
That sound right. That sound
Where me and Pops?
Hey, my baby, how you doing? It's your life now. You love it. I know you do. It's totally different, huh? That like no show. Whole new level.
That boy, college student now.
Hey.
You look like a college football player.
Hey y'all, happy Saturday. Oh y'all, it is raining. I had plans, y'all. I was trying to go celebrate with my aunt her birthday at Dona Letis here in H-Town. Let me move this. This just looks so tacky whenever I'm looking back at my vlog. But anyway, Dona Letis is in Maryland. That's the south side. And I don't like driving in the rain. It's not raining hard, but I don't know what the weather is like on the other end of town. The light for the tire has come on. So now I'm at Discount Tire trying to get some air put in the tire. And it just depends on what he says. I'm over here. Okay. It just depends on what he says as far as this tire goes. Hold on. Hi. I had this light come on, the back tire back there. Okay, I'll take a look at it. Register 25. But depending on what he says, if something is going on with this tire, baby, I'm going to have to go back home and just undo everything that I've done. What y'all think of my frames? I'm thinking about putting my prescription in these frames. I wanted stylish frames. I have been searching high and low for frames. I tried Shein. I'm sorry, I love Shein, but their frames were just a little too cheap. Found these on TikTok Shop. It came in a set of 4, but it's clear, black, brown, and like a leopard print. Okay, what, you checked all of them? Okay. Now, he only did that one tire. I've never been a Discount Tire where they only did one tire and didn't check all the other tires, or at least put air in all the other tires. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Y'all, these frames are so good. They're not cheap. They come from TikTok Shop, but they not cheap. They feel so durable. They feel so good, and I love them. So I want to do the clear and I want to do the black. So when I wear different outfits, I'm able to match it with what I wear. Because these eyes playing tricks on me more and more every day. And honey, I got to be able to see. Y'all, I think I'm going back home. I'm sorry. It is raining too hard and I'm not trying to get caught up. All this got wet getting in the car. Whew, I need to lose some weight, y'all. Don't even tell me. I know. Oh, I have a guest with me. Look. Say hey to the people, Deuce. Y'all, that's Deuce. That's my grandbaby. We're going home, Deuce. I'm going to get you something to eat, but we're going back home, okay? Thank you. Thank you. I said thank you. You too. He said we're good. So he didn't tell me something was wrong with the tire. So I'm assuming there wasn't anything really going on with the tire. I don't know why it lost air and why I needed to come, but oh my gosh. I don't know. It's like it clears up a little bit. It's still rainy, but it clears up and I don't know, y'all. It's like I've done all this. I want to go, but I just don't like driving that far of a distance in the rain if I don't have to. Anyway, I'll let y'all know what we decide. Let me get out of here. Talk to y'all soon. Y'all, guess what? We made it. I went on and came. It did rain. It wasn't raining hard. It was a light drizzle, but I don't even like driving in that. And it's because people don't know how to drive when it's raining. But y'all, we are here. We have made it to Dona Letis. Where is it at? Deuce, I think I'm gonna park right here.
I want to say hi to them again.
You want to say hi to them again? Okay, hold on. Let me back in. My grandson is smart, okay? Tell him hi.
Hi, hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
All right, y'all. Let me get him. Oh, I just got too much coming up out of here, but I'm going to show y'all the full fit when I get out the car.
Hi, hola, ¿cómo estás?
All right, look. Back up, Deuce. Oh, let me back up a little bit more. Right. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all inside. Can y'all say hi to my vlog?
Hey.
Say hi, hello. How y'all doing? Wait a minute. Say hello. Hello. That's the birthday girl right there. That's my favorite from out of town. Hello, how you doing? Well, I know you related. I know. Look at that. Okay, all right. Nice to meet you. I'm Ursula. Okay, all right. Can you say hello to my vlog? No. Deuce, show her how you said hello just now. Well, hello, Sister Flo. You're looking good. How you doing? Thank you. Y'all say hello.
We tried it. Yeah, we tried it. I'm gonna have to play.
Can you say hello, Mimi?
Yeah, I'm supposed to play song. Yeah.
You gotta say hello to my vlog first.
I didn't even know y'all was sitting in the corner.
Say hello. I'm gonna sit on this end. Come on. Y'all, I had to go to the restroom. It's so loud in here, y'all wouldn't be able to hear me anyway. Is it good, Deuce?
I want that to go in the to-go box.
It's strong. It's too strong for me to even taste if it's good. And I don't know, man. She's admiring the camera. She's admiring the camera.
She told you.
Best Buy. What? What I do? What I do? These are the first cousins right here. The OG. But now what? Y'all, we are just now leaving Dona Letis. We got here at whatever time, 1:30. It's 5:37, y'all. We did not get seated till 3 o'clock. Come on, man. This was the longest I've ever waited. And the longest, I don't know, this was just a long birthday dinner. It was good. And y'all, I lost my mind. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a gordita, pupusas, street tacos, and an enchilada dinner. Now the enchilada dinner, not mine. But the other 3, mine. I don't know. I just came in this place and lost my mind because I wanted to try everything. Coco, tell the vlog. See you later.
See you later, vlog.
All right. See y'all. Me and Big Deuce, not the little one, headed back to the east. So I just had to check in and let y'all know about this long process. But y'all, we enjoyed. We had a good time, and that's all that matters. It's still kind of raining. It done stopped a little bit now, so I need to head on back to my side of town. All right? Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. It's been a few days since I picked up the camera, and I don't know if y'all can hear it, but something is going on with my sinuses, and I've been having a whole lot of sneezing, itchy, watery eyes, just all that good stuff. My throat doesn't hurt. I know I'm not coming down with something. I know I don't have a cold or anything like that, because it's all in the nasal area. Headaches, I know it's sinus, because this is sinus pressure, all that, and then it's draining in my throat. I know that's enough. I'm out here waiting on Khloe. Khloe has her fitting today. She's getting fitted for her cheer uniform. Now, I'm going to try and get as much as I can, but I think this will be it, and I'm going to close out this vlog. This was just a little short vlog, just showing y'all a couple of weekends in my life, and then today. That's it. Just a little short, sweet vlog. She has 10 minutes before she gets out, so I'll see y'all in a few. Say hi to the people. Y'all, I don't think Khloe know what time she get out of school, because she told me 3:45. I think it's more like 3:55.
He told all the varsity cheerleaders to come to his own office. He gave
Went
us,
after school?
no, it was like during the 5th period. He said,
All right, y'all, we'll see y'all in a bit.
He said,
We're back in the car. I could not bring y'all up in there. Those girls were everywhere, and you know, you can't just be putting people and people's kids on camera. It's no way that I could have just gotten Khloe, and it was just too much. They were fitting, trying on clothes. So anyway, we're done. Khloe, our girl is ready. Varsity squad, y'all. Varsity squad. So anyway, if you have made it to this portion of the video, I want to thank you for tuning in. Of course, I need you all to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click your notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that I am bringing to you. Nothing. Share it, because sharing means caring. And I will catch each one of you beautiful people in the next video. Adios.